Alright then, so welcome back viewers. Tonight we are looking at Jumia stock again, or Jumia stock. The ticker symbol for it is actually Jmia stock, so we're going to call it Jumia for that reason. But yeah, we did an update on this one just a few days ago, and now we are doing a quick, 2 or 3 minute video talking about where the stock might go in the next few days and whether it is a buy rating. So if you do like these quick, short, sharp videos that we are making on loads of different stocks, we're pumping out like 4 to 5 videos a day, and honestly that is a lot of effort. So if you could just show your appreciation by leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Obviously we are trying to get to 1,000, so if you could help us get there as soon as possible, it would be appreciated. I definitely think we are going to make it there before Christmas. We're on 846 today. Last night we were on like 800, so we've gone up like 50 in a day. Absolutely amazing to see. So if you could help us push a bit further, it would be appreciated. On top of that, quickly I would like to note our Discord. Feel free to come talk to us on Discord about stocks, of course. Link is in the description. So yeah, let's get on to this one. So just to, jog your memory back to what this company is. This was the e-commerce company, which is in Germany, I do believe. And we reviewed this one and in depth and, a proper full depth detail the other day, only 2 or 3 days ago. So feel free to scroll down and view that video. But yeah, tonight we are doing what I think of the share price. So looking at this, we are 458.69% up on the year, and is set to continue in my opinion. So we're going to have a quick look out to the 6 month and then work our way in from this period. So if we start off on the 6 month, we can see that the stock price has basically shot up in like the past 1 or 2 months, and I think somewhat rightly so, and somewhat, it's a little bit overinflated. Now don't get me wrong, it is only $37 now, so it's not really too high, but from the previous dollar range of about 12 to about 20, it is kind of shooting up quite significantly. So if we look at this from a percentage point of view, it's about 177%, if not higher. And I think some of this is just with all the lockdowns and people shopping online and whatnot, but some of this is definitely over the top. Looking at this for a long-term point of view, is this going to be a growth company or is it going to stagnate? In my opinion, I would say it is definitely going to grow, but of course I am not a financial advisor. Reasons for that is because I think that the e-commerce business model is very successful. I think it is going to continue to be even more successful in the future. If you want to find out some reasons why, feel free to watch our Amazon video that we made yesterday, but I think this really does have potential. So now let's move into the 1 month and see if you should actually buy in now, because even if it does have potential for the long term, you want to get the best price that you possibly can. So if we have a quick look, we can see the stock started off the month at about $17, then it trended around between $20 and $15 for the whole month until about the 17th of November, perhaps even a bit later on like the 18th of November, where we saw the stock break the high of $20.48. From that point, really, it just took off, and it has not really stopped ever since. If we have a quick look into the closer graph on the 5-day, we can see the kind of pattern that has been going on. I would say this was kind of like a buy up in the morning, sell in the afternoon type pattern. It's not necessarily a bad pattern, but I don't think this is going to continue forever. I think the stock is eventually either going to fall back down at some point or find a level which it is comfortable at. So my personal predictions for the future, I think that yes, we are probably going to see 1 or 2 more days of growth, potentially even the rest of the week of growth into next week. But I think it is going to be one of those ones where we are risking a lot for this one, simply due to the fact that the price could definitely come down sharply and, find a new point where it's going to level out at. So once again, like I said, for the long term, definitely probably a good play. For the short term, of course, if you are willing to risk a lot, then yes, it might be a good time to get in. But of course, this curve is going to stop off at some point. I'm not saying it's necessarily meaning that the stock is going to go down. It could just be a case of the stock is going to level out at, say, $40. That was just an example, of course, and be stable there. And of course, that would mean there is not much growth for this one. So would I personally buy this one? I would not buy this one because I think it is too inflated. However, for the long term, I would still be interested in this one. If I was looking to short-term trade it, yes, cool, that's a good concept, but it would probably be risking a lot. If I was looking to long-term trade it, I would definitely wait a month and see what position we are in. If we are still in a growth position, I will obviously reassess, and if that is the case, I will make another update video. But for now, I would definitely consider this one, one of the ones where you need to tread with caution. So I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.